Yes, today I will showing you how to install HOLEHE tool in your Kali Linux in Android. So first make your terminal update and update. I given this all commands in my Telegram channel, guys. So please visit there, copy it and paste it in your terminal. Okay, and copy this one, the first one, copy it and paste it here and press enter. Okay, it will take some minutes in your terminal, guys. After that, copy this link. Okay, copy this link, copy the link, clone the tool here by typing get clone, copy it and paste it here. Okay, this video is only for education purpose, guys. It will take some minutes on terminal. See guys, it's almost done. Now copy that third command cd for the change directory. Okay, copy it, paste it here and press enter and make ls. Okay, after that copy the fourth command, copy it, and you have to install the Python 3 language in your terminal, guys. So because this tool will work in the Python 3 language, so please install the Python 3 language in your terminal. After that, copy it and paste it here and press enter. Okay, it will install the setup.py. It will take some minutes to terminal, guys. See guys, it's done now. It's completed now. So in this video I'm showing only installation procedure. If you want a full practical video of this tool, you can join in my Telegram channel, guys. I give the link in my description. Okay, you can join in my Telegram channel, guys. So thanks for watching.